Hi everybody, Mr. D here with a tutorial on the Hungarian Dance number 5 by Johannes Brahms, and the arrangement is by Merle Isaac. Okay, so this is the first violin part. Now, in this section, what I want you to think is about the 8 notes, and I want you to spend your bow. I want you to use weight on the bow and to make them really I don't know if dense is the right word, but really concentrated. Okay, so do a little extra effort on them. Okay, also extra effort here. It's not. See the speed of the bow that I'm putting at the beginning of each slur. I saved my bow on the long note. Now here you have to be super efficient. You have to use your fingers. Okay, so let's park here on this spot for a while. So one way to practice it is 4 plus 1. Let me adjust the thing so you can see my right hand. Okay. Next one. That is going to be the quick one. Next one. And then the next one. Okay, now let's do 8 plus 1. Okay, now a little faster. Okay, now you can also double it. Okay, now very short balls. If you want, you could go next to a wall and put your hand on the table, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but my arm is laying down on right here. Okay, and we're going just to make sure that I'm using wrist and fingers. Okay. Okay, faster. Faster. Notice how I'm putting accent in the first of each one. That's the only way we're gonna stay together. Okay? Save your ball. Okay, alright, here's the next part. Same thing. Now here, this one is tricky. So your first finger has to go on both strings and you leave it there. Right? Make sure that you realize exactly where your string crossings are. And here the next part is the same. Okay, next. Okay, so the next part is good. You need to take a look at this. I put a little bit of an accent on the A, and that kind of like helps. Okay, now the high part is here. Same thing. Make sure that you get. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Those are the really hard spots in the Hungarian dance. Good luck.